If you want to create dependencies in the takt-time view, this can easily be done by entering dependency mode. Click the link icon, and you will see how the icon changes color to visualize it's active. You can now drag a dependency from one task to another, based on which type of dependency you want. For instance, you can drag from the end of second side gypsum, to the start of the acoustic ceiling. Based on the lowest possible location precision, this makes a finish to start dependency across all locations. The link icon is now no longer orange, indicating that it's no longer active. If you want to create multiple dependencies, double-click the icon, and it will light up with a box around it. Now you can create all dependencies necessary for your project, and see how your schedule comes alive by shifting your task's workflow. Here we make a finish-to-finish dependency from the flooring to skirting, and make both flooring and skirting have a finish-to-start dependency to the woodwork. When you finish making dependencies, always check if your tasks are correctly planned to be performed ASAP or paste. Do note that dependencies created from a split task will only make a dependency from the specific task and not for all parts of the split task. Create these if they are relevant. When all your work has finished, remember to save your changes.